Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Tim Hutter and today we're going to use AI to build a fully automatic crypto trading bot to trade on Hyperliquid, but now I can't. This time we're not going to use a technical analysis strategy. Instead, we're going to build a bot that trades based on tweets on X. For example, when Elon Musk tweets something about Dogecoin, we want to buy Dogecoin, but we want to make sure we don't buy if he says something negative. That's why we're going to also implement AI into this bot to analyze the tweet and make a decision. Let's go. I know this intro was a little complicated, but don't worry, you're gonna understand it. So here's the plan. We know that when Elon Musk tweets something about crypto, it always pumps. So we are going to use the X API or a cheaper version, which is the Twitter API. It costs much less because the X API is very expensive. We're going to use this to see if Elon Musk has tweeted something in the last minute. We're going to check every minute. Then we are going to use the DeepSeek API to analyze this tweet and figure out, does it include something about crypto? Because we don't want to make it mechanical. We don't only want to see crypto, we want to see the context. Not only is there crypto in his tweet, is it bullish or bearish? So we're going to use DeepSeek for this to have an API. Then we are going to execute the trades here on Hyperliquid. You can use any crypto exchange that you want. Hyperliquid is just the easiest to use in my opinion for crypto. And of course you can also do stuff like this in MetaTrader, but for this example I'm just going to use Hyperliquid. And we are going to code it here inside the RoboQuant AI or RoboQuant Dev. That's our own AI coding software. It's like ChatGPT, but much better because it is made to build trading bots. It's literally designed to build trading bots. All right, now obviously we need the API keys and stuff. I already have my key. You simply go to platform.deepseek.com, you register, you create an API key. I'm not going to show it because I cannot reveal my API key. Same goes for the Twitter API. You simply go to, you just create an account, then you go to pricing and you just buy the API and you have your key. It is impossible not to understand it. You see, that's my ID, and then if I click here, I see my API key. It's so simple. And to save time, I have already prepared the prompt. So now we go to roboquant.dev. We also have a free version, by the way, link is down in the description. We create a new workspace, we call it Elon Bot. Now we're going to open it. We close all the files that we have here open because we don't need them. Now we're going to use GPT-5 codecs. We're going to use Python and act mode. I can't be bothered, I just wanted to code it. So here is my prompt. Hey, I want to create a simple bot in Python that uses the Twitter API.io to check every minute if Elon Musk has tweeted something about crypto in the past minute. It can be Doge, it can be about BTC or ETH or XRP or crypto in general. Then use the DeepSeek API to see if his tweet is bullish or bearish for crypto. Send an update every minute on Telegram. Oh, I forgot this to say. I want to get a message on Telegram every time, like every minute. Maybe we can then change it to only send a message if there was a tweet from Elon. Send an update every minute on Telegram, whether a new tweet has been detected or not. Quote the tweet and add the AI model reasoning, blah, blah, blah. I have all these keys and I told it to use the correct endpoints. And now I'm going to send it. And now I have to wait. But in the meantime, I can show you how to get alerts on Telegram because you need to create a bot. So you get the token and the chat ID. And many people don't know how this works. I'm going to show you. We are going to go here, api.telegram.org/bot/get updates. But first we need to go to Telegram and we type bot father here. We click start, then /new bot. We have to give it a name. Now we need to give it a username, and maybe this one is not accepted. It's already taken, and this is accepted. Now it gave us this token for the API. Now I'm just simply copying this. Then I go here, and where the 3 dots are, I replace this with my key. Now I hit enter, and we have no error, but we have no message. So we go back to Telegram. Then we go here to this link, click start, test, just send a message, can be a random message. Now you refresh and tada, we get this response. This is a typical API response. It talks to you. You ask it something, it gives you a response. And here you can see language code, blah, 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 chat ID. This is what we need. So we're going to copy this chat ID. We go back to Telegram and I'm simply going to send it to myself. And now we simply have to wait until the RoboQuant AI is finished coding. It's gonna take a while, and I am back in a minute. All right, the RoboQuant AI is finished coding all these files, and now we are going to run the bot. Just so you understand, I'm going to explain you what these files are, at least the ones I know. So here we have the folder crypto bot, and then we have this .env. This is the file where all my keys are. Obviously, I've already put these keys inside, and I cannot show you because these are private keys. I cannot show them, but this is how it looks more or less. Oh, it's gone. Maybe here, this one. Yeah, like this. So here is just a list of all the keys. The reason we have this, usually you have an example.env. So if you publish this to GitHub, whatever, so other people can use it, they know, here they have to put their keys. Everyone knows it's always in the example.env. And then your real file is called .env. There are your real keys, and you don't want to share them. So that's why you have the example file. Then we have the config file and config loader. I don't know what this is. And here is the bot. Now, you probably don't understand anything, and that's no problem, because here the AI has created a readme.md file. So you know how to run it. Now we're going to run it by just following the instructions. We open a new terminal. Now this is not written here. You just have to remember. You see, we have this folder called Elon CryptoBot. Now, first we need to head or navigate to this folder. So we type cd and then the folder name, Elon _crypto _bot. Now you see that we are in this folder. Now to run the bot, we need to install the requests. I've already done this before, but you literally just paste this command. That's going to tell me already satisfied. You see, now to run the bot, it says this here. I'm not sure if this makes sense because we already are in this folder. So usually to run a Python file, you simply write Python and then your file name. The file name is bot.py. And now we wait. And I got a message here on Telegram. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me make this more bright. And now I have this here. You see the message or not? Probably not. It says Elon Musk crypto monitor 13:55 UTC. No new qualifying tweets detected during this interval. And also, no, we don't get any response here. We could obviously add this response, but I didn't tell it to add debugging and stuff or logging. And now that I received these Telegram alerts, you might ask yourself, what is even the point of this? So now you need to listen. It's very important. First of all, this is just the first step. We have now created a Python bot that checks if Elon Musk posts anything about crypto. And obviously he doesn't post so much. It can take weeks or months until he posts something. So it's going to take time. But once he posts something, then the bot will analyze the tweet and see, is it bullish or bearish, or is it in general a crypto post, and then he just enters a certain coin, for example Dogecoin, and trades it automatically. Now I haven't set a stop loss or a take profit. I'm going to do this once I receive something, but it's going to take a while. But you have to understand that you can obviously watch Elon Musk on X and see if he posts something and then execute the trade manually, but then you're just as slow as everyone else. With a bot like this, you are faster than anyone else, and speed is so important in trading. As I said, it's going to take some time. I'm going to make another video once it has taken some trades and stuff, and then we can optimize it, make it more pretty, make some tweaks, add the trailing stop loss and all this stuff. It's not rocket science. It's pretty easy. The purpose of this video was more to show you like how easy it is to automate your trading, and that there's more than just candlesticks. You can automate completely different strategies like this one based on news, but not only on Elon Musk. There's so many people that have influence in trading, so you can do something similar. And also, I mean, only just the fact that we are getting alerts now on Telegram, this is something you could actually monetize and make a business out of this. And you can do this all without RoboQuant AI. You can also use a different AI, but the issue is with other AIs, you don't have a file system. So this is made to build software, trading bots, and all this stuff. I hope this makes sense. And this was already it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Please leave a like and a comment if you can. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you get notified when I upload the next video. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Peace out.